Want to join a Google Meet call on your iPhone without installing the Google Meet app? Good news! Google now lets some iPhone users join Google Meet directly in Safari, and in some cases, you can even request to join without signing into a Google account. In this video, I'll show you how it works, what to tap, and why the option may not appear yet on your device. Start by opening a legitimate Google Meet link from Messages, Mail, Calendar, or another trusted app. If Google Meet and Gmail are not installed on the iPhone, the link may now open directly in Safari instead of pushing you to install an app. Once the Meet page loads, Safari may ask for permission to use your microphone or camera. Allow only the permissions you actually need for the meeting. If you already use a Google account in Safari, choose the correct account and continue to the Google Meet Join screen. Depending on the meeting settings, you may either see a Join button or an Ask to Join button. If the meeting allows direct access, tap Join. If the organizer needs to approve guests or external users, tap Ask to Join and wait for approval. If you don't want to use a Google account, Google also allows some users to enter a display name and request to join as a guest. Just remember that this does not bypass meeting rules. The host may still need to let you in, and some organizations may block anonymous guests completely. If the Safari option is missing, there are a few common reasons. First, the rollout may not have reached your iPhone yet, because Google says the feature is rolling out over time. Second, your iPhone or Safari may need an update. Third, the meeting itself may have restrictions that block guest access. And finally, if the Google Meet app or Gmail app is already installed, iOS may still open the meeting link in the app instead of Safari. So the quick recap is simple. Tap the Google Meet link, let it open in Safari, allow camera or microphone access if needed, sign in with Google or enter your name, and then join or request access depending on the meeting settings. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other iPhone and Google Meet troubleshooting guides for more quick fixes and easy tutorials.